Hey, Trevor here. Hope you are very, very well. In this business, I get to see a lot of different opportunities. Obviously, there are a ton of products being released on a daily basis. And if I see something that I think can work for you, then I'll take a look at it. If I then find that it can't work for you, then I'll just, kick that out and move on to the next thing. So there are probably, there's like 10 plus launches a day, and most of it doesn't make the grade. Sometimes it's difficult to work out which ones, from the outset, just like looking in on them, which ones are actually going to be any good. And there's something that I've been going through today for you that I've just got to say is absolutely unbelievable. Now, when you ask the product creator, are you doing this yourself? And they say, yes, I am, with an exclamation mark, and it confirms your suspicions, you know that you're onto something good. Now, this product has got a really kind of hypey, scammy sounding name, the $2 million commission system. But the weird thing is, it's actually based on fact. So there's a 71-year-old lady called Gal who stumbled across this particular system, and all you have to do, basically, in a nutshell, is you literally give businesses your link. Now, you can contact them via email. It's very, very simple. You don't have to speak to anyone. And the world is full of businesses, but obviously, actually, this concentrates on the United States of America, but you can be anywhere in the world doing it, all right? That's important. You give them a link to a pre-done landing page, and that link is basically to give them the money, right? So the businesses in the USA can receive up to $26,000 per employee. And when you give them the link, you get a really hefty commission coming through on that. And it's really exciting, really exciting. I've been going through the whole thing. I can tell you that even though the sales page, which we'll look at in a minute, maybe looks like any other sales page, and you could think it's just a load of crap. It's not. This is the real thing. I've checked it out, and it's genuine, and it's very, very exciting because you can make a lot of money very, very easily. And you can, if you're someone like Gal, I think she's made $5.8 million in commission so far. I mean, I know that sounds crazy, but quite simply, the way that can work is, let's say, you're on a daily basis, you might be going out and just dropping emails to businesses. You're literally offering them free money. All right. So, I mean, how hard can that be? It's a no-brainer. And you might stumble across a business that looks like it's, I don't know, just like a normal business, but it could be an umbrella business for all different businesses. And each of those businesses that's underneath that could have, thousands of employees. And that's what happened with Gal. And it happened with a guy called Brian who's made $1 million. But I mean, it is unbelievable, but it's true. Now, obviously, you don't make $2 million all the time. Not everyone's going to make $2 million. But you can, in fact, make like $5,000 relatively easily. So that's why this got my attention. The product itself is very, very cheap. It's $11 to get in, so it's a no-brainer. I've got some lovely bonuses for you. So this is all, definitely worth taking. There are some upsells I've put on my page. You can find out all the details on those. I might even go through those in a second here. But before I do anything else, what I want to do is just play you a couple of excerpts of videos to show you what this thing is all about. So first of all, we're going to hear from Gal herself. Just listen to what she says and listen with an open mind, because this is genuine. All right, let's listen to Gal.
I just wanted to come on and tell everybody how great you are and how I really, really respect you for what you do. Not only, you're helping so many people, but I'm involved in it, and I've already gotten flow well over $5.8 million with a couple of people I'm working with too. You guys have to get involved in this. This is the hugest deal I've ever seen. I've been a commercial real estate broker for 39 years. I've never made this kind of money so quickly. I mean, it's going to be over with before you blink an eye, but jump on this deal. I'm telling you, I'll be involved and I can help coach you a little bit here and there. So don't hesitate. I mean, you guys, you have no idea. There's multi-millions. If you want to make $2 million, jump on.
All right. So that, as you can see, I mean, that's just incredible. It really is. When I saw this, like, first of all, it got my attention immediately because I thought, could this really be true? So I've gone through. Sorry, mate, 1 second. That's the video behind. Let me get rid of that. Okay, so we got rid of that. Yes, I've gone through it all and verified that it's the real deal, and it is the real deal. It's a very, very exciting opportunity. I must say, it's got me thinking big time, because there is so much you can do with this, and the potential is absolutely massive. But if you just want to dip your toes in the water and have a go, then, as I said, it's only going to cost you $11. Next video I've got for you here is just a quick excerpt, a quick cut from the two guys behind this product. Okay.
Together and just share with you how killer this opportunity is. People are making thousands of dollars per referral for one referral, and some people are making tens of thousands and even hundreds of thousands, and of course, as the name of the product is, even $2 million on one referral. How about that, James? Pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, that's the crazy thing about this, is that of course we have Gail, who's 71 years old, that has a $2 million commission off of one link. And that's the beautiful thing about it. It's not just Gail, it's all of these people. There's room for all of us right now to literally share a link, give away free money, and get paid.
And what's amazing to me is that,
so, in a nutshell, that really does summarize it, doesn't it? Literally share a link and get paid. She gave away one link and she made $2 million, and now she's made $5.8 million. It is absolutely life-changing amounts of money. Absolutely incredible. So let me show you what else I've got here. So this is a sales page. Here you can get a replay of that video testimonial by Gal if you want to hear that again. And also here is the full video of the video that I just showed you a part of, with the two guys behind this. Now, James Ranalph here on the right, I've worked with before. He's actually interviewed me, and I can vouch for him. I don't know Dave, but if he's working with James, then I'm sure that he's all good. But obviously I do know James personally. These are some of the commissions that people are getting. $4,680 on one deal, $6,240 on one deal, $36,400 on one deal, $4,680 on one deal, $13,000 on two deals. It's big money. I mean, it's like affiliate marketing on steroids. All right. So the thing is, look, this sales page looks like a lot of other sales pages that you've seen, but it's this is a genuine thing. So it says here, massive government giveaway means millions for savvy entrepreneurs. During COVID, the US government allocated over $1 trillion to help business owners. Let's see. You can be from anywhere in the world, all right? I mean, literally, this can be done by anyone in the world. $8,800 on one deal, $35,000 on two deals, $25,000, $480 on one deal, all right? So come through the sales page, take a look at that, see what you think of it. I've got a couple of decent bonuses for you that I think you're going to like. For a start, I'm going to give you Spreadsheet Millions, which is James's recent launch. And this is how to make money with spreadsheets. Let Spreadsheet Millions show you exactly how you can profit from the crazy new industry with absolutely no spreadsheet skills. I'm also going to give you Auto Grow Crypto 2.0, which is how they're getting over $150,000 APY annual crypto return that auto compounds. So if you fancy making some crypto, then you're going to get that as well. I've also got other bonuses for you from myself here. So you're also going to get local business website doctor, where you can tap into the local business. Now, in that, I actually teach you how to find local businesses that are not local to you, but they're all over the world, which is perfect for this. All right, this goes hand in hand with this opportunity. And also my eBay strategy for making cash for PLR. This enabled me to buy my $30,000 truck brand new by using this strategy, and I'm revealing that to you as well here today. All right, so you're going to get some really nice bonuses, but I want to show you this. This is a question. This was me talking to James today, and I said to him, thanks James, are you using this system yourself, James? Yes, we are. I thought you'd say that. It looks very exciting. That's what I mentioned earlier on. Just I'll put that screenshot in there to show you. So there you have it, guys. That is the $2 million commission system. It's an opportunity without a shadow of a doubt. Now, there's a kind of limited window on this. I think it expires in 2024 or something like that. But they've got like trillions of dollars to give away, and there's a ton left, a ton of fuel left in the tank, if you like. You literally are showing businesses that they are missing out on up to $26,000 per employee. So it's a very professional thing. There's nothing scammy about it at all. You're communicating with businesses, and if I was going to attack this, which I will be, what I would be doing if I was going to tell you, which I am, is literally taking massive action, right? And taking the email templates that they give you, so you don't even have to think about that, taking my link, my affiliate link that goes to the pre-done landing page, and I'd be getting that out to as many businesses as I could on a daily basis. And I would just sit there and systematically go through and mail these businesses, because you only need one, and it could be like winning the lottery, you know, but you can get obviously more than one. But that's what I would do. And that's, for me, I think that this is a really, really exciting opportunity. It's only going to cost you $11 to get in, so it's a no-brainer. Oh, I was going to show you the OTOs. Let me show you the OTOs. Okay, so the front-end main product is $11. Upgrade number 1 is just $39. Get the latest on what's working right now so you can make the biggest commissions. Sounds like a no-brainer to me. Upgrade number 2 is $39. Make giant commissions by targeting million-dollar businesses for just pennies with this amazing strategy. Sounds good to me as well. I've got to say, all of these are pretty good upgrades, especially with, you know, what this opportunity is all about. Upgrade number 3, again, just $39. Turn a few bucks into millions with this hot, proven strategy that puts your link in front of the perfect prospects. Upgrade number 4, double your commission. So we're going to double your commission rate. Now, instead of making 1 million, you'll make 2 million with the same link. So that one's $197, but that is definitely one worth considering. Upgrade number 5 is, again, just $39. A completely different way to make big money with a $2 million commission system. Get people funding for startups, business, and real estate. All right, awesome stuff this. Upgrade number 6, again, just $39. Join us on this live one-time webinar with Dave, James, and Corey. Get the latest success stories and tactics. This has never been and will never be offered again. Upgrade number 7, again, only $39. Make more money from this by building a team. Make money from other people's work. See how James's wife built a team of 6,000 people. All right, which again sounds brilliant. Upgrade number 8 is $497. Want funnel coaching from James and Dave directly? We will apply our marketing minds to help you improve your conversions and sales. And then upgrade number 9, which is the big one at $1997, the ultimate upgrade, direct mentoring and coaching from James and Dave. Spend half a day with James and Dave masterminding on your business, any business. So that's the funnel, that's the product. This really is a no-brainer, guys. Seriously, you need to jump on this. Remember, you can be anywhere in the world, all right? You're showing US businesses how they're missing out on potentially up to $26,000 per employee that they've got. And a lot of these businesses have got thousands of employees, and you get paid a commission. So you can see how this can turn into very, very big numbers. Very exciting opportunity. I can't wait to get started. As always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. And in the meantime, I wish you all the very best. Take care.